In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Meta Business Suite to Business Manager. Whether you're returning to Business Manager for specific features or just out of preference, we'll walk through this straightforward process together. So grab your computer and let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Meta Business Suite on your computer. Take a moment to ensure you're logged into the correct account that manages your business pages. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll notice a variety of options designed to help you manage your business's social media presence. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find an option labeled Help. Click on Help, and this action will open up a new page or panel with various support and assistance options, including some configuration settings. Here, you want to look for the option that says Go to Business Manager. By clicking this, you're initiating the switch from Meta Business Suite to the more familiar interface of Business Manager. Upon doing so, a blue button labeled Switch should appear. Click this button to confirm your action. This is a crucial step because it indicates to the system that you intentionally want to switch back to using Business Manager. This confirmation ensures that your navigation is deliberate and helps Meta align its functionalities with your preferred tools. At this point, you may encounter some on-screen prompts. These could be simple questionnaires asking for feedback on why you're choosing to switch back, or messages outlining what functionalities might change. Take a minute to read through these prompts. If feedback is required, feel free to provide it, as this information can be valuable for Meta when improving their services. After addressing any prompts, your page will automatically reload, and you should find yourself in the Business Manager interface. Now, it's important to consider a couple of things post-switch. Switching back to Business Manager means you'll lose the ability to schedule posts directly within this interface. This function is reserved for Meta Business Suite, so plan accordingly if you frequently utilize post scheduling. Furthermore, keep in mind that the future of business management tools within Meta is rapidly evolving. Meta plans to transition all tools to the Meta Business Suite eventually, which means the Business Manager will become obsolete, making now a good time to get accustomed to the new suite if you haven't already. Worry not about your already scheduled posts, as those will still be published on time. However, moving forward, any management related to those posts will need to be conducted through Meta Business Suite. This ensures there's no hasty disruption in your content schedule. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to switching from Meta Business Suite back to Business Manager. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and clear. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips on using digital tools effectively.